Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2016 government passed question. Question number 16 says an electoral process in which candidates are selected for elective offices by party members is dash. An electoral process in which candidates are selected for elective offices by party members is no. So this definition defines what we call primary election. Primary election because it is within the same political party. So option A says primary election, C say B say electoral college, C say by election, then D say general election. General election is applicable to all people in a country. Then by election is for replacement. The option A is correct. Thank you, and it's sure you correct. Wait for another